Namaste students, we are in the lesson squares and square roots, isn't it? In the last class I taught you how to find the square root of a perfect square using prime factorization method. Even I taught you how to find the square root of any number by using repeated subtraction, isn't it? That repeated subtraction was little bit long process. To avoid that long process, we have gone for finding the square root by prime factorization method, isn't it? Then I solved 3 or 4 problems in that class. Now we will take some other problems. The first one, perfect square, is 625, and next 1521, then 121. Okay. Now let us find the square root of 625. Yes. So here 625, we have to go for its prime factors, right? Now, is it divisible by 2? No, it is not divisible by 2, and it is ending with 5, therefore it is divisible by 5. Is it divisible by 3? See, 6 to 8, 8, 5, 13, therefore it is not divisible by 3. Then, it is divisible by 5, yes, let us do it. 5 ones are 5, 1 left, so 12, 5, 2s are 10, 25, 5, 5s are. Okay. Then still it is divisible by 5, 5 2s are 10, 2, then 25, 5 5s are, then 5 5s are, 5 1s are, therefore 625 is equals to, see how I am writing, therefore 625 is equals to, write the factors that we got in a vertical column, isn't it? That is 5 for 4 times, isn't it? That is nothing but what we have to consider here? We have to consider the pair of the prime factors. Here if you see, there are 4 5s, isn't it? So how many pairs are there here? 2 pairs are there. It can be written as 5 into 5 square. Yes, what we are using here? The laws of exponents, right? Now that is 625 is there, 25 square, that is equals to what? 625, isn't it? That implies if you shift this square to another side, it will become square root, that I taught you. Then square root of 625 is equals to 25. It's easy, yes? Now we will go for the next number, that is 1521. Can you guess what is the square root of, or what is the square root of this number which ends with 1? Yes, of course, it may be 1 or 9, because this perfect square it is ending with 1, therefore the square root of this number ends with either 1 or 9, right? Now it is not divisible by 2. Let us check it for 3. 5 to 7, 8, 9. Yes, of course it is divisible by 3 then. 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 2 is not divisible, so write it as 0. Why it is 0? To take the next digit, yes, so we have to make it as 0, that it will become 21, right? 5 7s are 21, okay, then 5 7, it is 12, it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. How much left? 2 left. 20. 3 1s are 3. 2 left. 20. 3 6s are 18. 2 left. So 27. 3 9s are 27. Yes. Now 169 is there. This is the square of 13. So directly 13 13s are 13 1s are. Yes. See once again. Here 1 is not divisible by 3. Therefore we have to consider 2 digits, that is 15. 3 5s are 15. Next digit is 2. 2 is not divisible by 3. Therefore we have to consider 21. To consider 21, to consider 2 digits, we need to take it as 0, then it will become 21, 3 7s are 21. Therefore, that is 1521 is equals to 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. Yes. Now, take the pair of the factors. So that is 3 into 13 whole square, that is equals to 13 3s are 39 square. So square root of 1521 is equals to, yes, it is 39. As I told you earlier only that its square, the perfect square, it is 1521, it is ending with 1, therefore the square root of this number ends with either 1 or 9, it is ending with 9. Yes, it's easy. Then we will go for the next one, that is 121 is there. What is the square root of 121 then? Yes, of course it is 11. Okay, so directly it is 11, 11s are 121, 11, 1s are 11, therefore 121 is equals to, it is 11 into 11, already it's paired. So 11 square is equals to 121, that implies square root of 121 is equals to 11. Yes, so prime factorization is easy if you know the tables properly and if you know how to divide the numbers. Yes, how to divide in the sense we have taken 5 ones are 5, so 6 minus 5 is 1, it will become 12. So 5 2s are 10, 2 left, 25, 5 5s are 25. It is nothing but we are going to take the division process here. Okay, so now I hope you all have understood the prime factorization. Yes, this prime factorization through which we are going to find the square root of the given perfect square. See, I am saying given perfect square. When a perfect square is given, yes, it is asked you to find the square root only when a perfect square is given. Perfect square kottana square root find madanta helirtara. Are you getting? So all these are what? These are perfect squares. Okay. So now let me move with the maths tricks to find the square of any number. Yes, I'll see you how to find the square of any number. Now let me consider some numbers which are near to 50, yes, and near to in the sense which are less than 50 and which are greater than 50. Okay, so here first I will take more than 50 and here I will consider less than 50. What I am going to find here? I am going to find the square of a number which is more than 50, yes, without any identity. We are not going to use the identity and we are not going for prime factorization method also. Here prime factorization does not work, we are not finding the square root. But if a number is 50 to 60, see, we are considering only 50 to 60, yes. Here less than 50 means I will consider only the numbers from 40 to 50. Are you getting me? More than 50, that is 50 to 60, whichever you want to consider, you can consider. See, 55 square I want to take. I want to find the square of 55. How to find the square of 55? Is there any trick for that? Yes, I told you in the last video how to find the square of any number which is ending with 5. Yes, that is nothing but 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25 and the consecutive number of this one means which is in the 10th place, that is 5, its consecutive number is 6, 5 6 are 30. Yes, so 55 square is 3025. If it is 65, if it was there, how to find 65 square? Yes, of course, 5 square is 25, 6 the consecutive 7, that is 42. Therefore, 65 square is 4225. This method is applicable only for the numbers which are ending with 5. But if it is 57 square. How to find 57 square? Yes, we have learnt in the lesson algebraic expressions and identities how to find the square of any number, isn't it? There we have used 50 plus 7 square, in which 50 is a and b is 7. That is nothing but a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. That was somewhat long process. In that lesson I told you it is the easiest process, and again in this lesson we are going to learn still the easiest method how to find the square of any number. Okay, here 57 square is there. See how to get 7 square. What it is? See, 5 square is there. 5 square is 25. So keep the number 25 in mind. 25 is there. 7 square. See, 57 square. In this we have to consider the 5 square, that is 25, right? This 57 is how many digits more than 50? Yes, this 57 is 7 more than 50. Okay, 57 is 7 more than 50. Therefore, what we have to do? This 7 means 7 square is what? 7 square is of course 49. Yes, 7 square is 49. I am going to write it as 49. Then, here how many digits it is more? 7. Okay, 25 is there. Add that 7 to 25. So, it is what? It is of course 32. So, it is 3249 is the square of 57. Yes, 57 square is 3249. For this what we have to do? 7 square is 49, then 7 in 50, it is 57 is 7 more than 50. So, add that 7 to 25, you are going to get 32, write that 32. So, the answer is 3249. If you are taking any other number, 53 square, see how to get the answer? 3 square, yes of course it is 9. Write it as 2 digit only. It is 0, 9. Don't write only 9. 3 square is 9. It is 3 more than 50. So, 25 plus 3. 25 plus 3. Yes, of course, it is 28. So, the answer is 2809. If you are taking any other number which is from 50 to 60. Yes, that is what? 50 to 60. I will consider 51 square. 51 square. 1 square is 1. Right? It is 1 more than 50. Then 25 plus 1, it is 26. 2601 is the answer. It's easy. Okay. We'll go for this. The numbers which are less than 50, that is nothing but only 40 to 50. This method is applicable only for the numbers which lies between 50 and 60. Getting? So, what we have to do here? We have to take the square of the last digit. Then, how many digits it is more? That digit should be added to 25 and write that, represent that number. That number itself is the square of a given number. Okay. So, now, less than 50 is there. It is 40 to 50. 40 to 50, in this I want to consider 42 square. Yes, 42 square. Therefore, the square of this number ends with what? The square of this number ends with 4. Because 2 square is 4. The numbers which are ending with 2 and 8, their square ends with 4. Okay. 42 square is there. For this, in this 42 is how many digits or how many numbers less than 50? Yes, it is 8. Yes, keep this 8 in mind. Okay. If 42 ಅನ್ನೋದು 50 ಗಿಂತ 8 ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅದ 8 ಅನ್ನು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Then what is 8 square? 8 square is 64. I'll write that 64 here. Yes. Then in that 25. Yes, because 5 square is 25. In the 25, what we have to do? We have to subtract this 8. Yes, subtract this 8, you are going to get 17. So, write that 17 here. The answer is 1764. Yes, get the answer by actual multiplication, then both the answers are same. We will take one more number. Yes, I will consider 45 square. Let us check whether this method, yes, what we used here, yes, does this work here? Yes. 5 square, yes, it is 25. 4 5s are 20, yes, 2025. Same. 5 6 are 30, 5 square is 25, 5 square 25, 4 5s are 20. Now let us find 45 square using this method. Okay, 45 square we are going to find. Yes, 5 square, yes, of course it is 25, because this is 5 less than 50. 45 is 5 less than 50. So 25, 5 square is 25. Then in that 25, what we have to reduce? Because it is 5 less, so subtract 5, it will be 20. 2025, both the answers are same. Yes, so this works here. Okay, let us take one more number, that is 47 square we will consider. 47 square, see, don't take 7 square. Don't take 7 square as we did here. That is wrong. 47 square when you are considering, this is 3 less than 50. Yes, 47 is 3 less than 50. Therefore, 3 square is what? 3 square is 9. The same we are doing here. 3 square is 9. Then 47 means it is 3 less 25 minus 3, then it is what? Here you have to consider the difference of those two. 25 minus 3, yes, it is 22. So this is the way how to get the square of any number, that too 42, 50 and 50 to 60. This is the way. I hope you all have understood this easy method, and try to find all the squares which are from 50 to 60, then 40 to 50 in the same way. Okay, yes. So now let us think about other numbers which are more than 60 or more than 50. Yes, 50 to 60 we have considered here. If it is more than 60, then, or if it is less than 40, then how to find? There is also one more method I will say you. As I said, these two methods works only for the numbers which lies between these two, but the last method what I am going to say is applicable for all the numbers. Okay. So now let me consider the number 77 square. How to find 77 square? Is there any easy method to find 77 square? Here we can't consider the method what we used for more than 50. We can't choose that, but now I'll see. See, whichever number you consider, just write 3 dashes, yes, in this. What is 7 square? 7 square, yes, it is 49, write that 49 here. Then 7 square, it is 49, yes, I will write 49 here, okay. Then, what about the middle blank? Yes, there is also something. See, 77 square is there, 7 into 7 into 2 we have to consider, 7 into 7 into 2. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಒಳಗ ಏನು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಇಂಟು 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 7 7s are 49, 49 into 2, it is 98. Yes, okay, 98 is there, write that 98 here. But this is not the answer, there is one more step for this. Okay, otherwise don't write this equal sign, make it as implies. Now then what is the answer? It is not the answer I am saying. Then what is the answer? Yes, the answer comes here. See, 77 square is equals to, write the unit digit as it is 9. Now, 8 plus 4, it is 12, carry. 9 plus 1, 10. Yes, see here. Now you have to add these two. Wait, I will say you. 9 as it is, 8, 4, 12. Yes, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9. 10 plus 9, that is 19. 4 plus 1, 5. So, the square of 77 is 5929. We will take one more number. 63 square I will take. Yes, that is 3 dashes. Yes, so here 3 square is 9. Okay, 6 square it is 36. 6 3s are, yes, it is 18. 18 2s are 36. Right, 6 3s are. What we have to take here? 6 into 3 into 2. 6 3 2. 7 7 2. Multiply those, get the product. 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. Yes, then 63 square, 63 square is equals to, see now, 9 as it is, 6 plus 0, 6, 6 3, 9, 3. So, 63 square is 3969, and we know that the number which ends with 3, its square ends with 9. Yes, here also the number which ends with 7, its square ends with 9. If you have any doubt, yes, earlier the numbers we have considered 45 square. Yes, we found that it is 2025, isn't it? Let us apply this method to that number, whether this method works for that or not. Okay, now see, 5 square it is 25, 4 square it is 16. Yes, so 3 dashes we were supposed to consider. 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40. Yes, 5 as it is 2, 6 4, 10, 2. 2025. Yes. Okay. So, this method, it works for all the numbers from 1 to, that is 99. Are you getting? So, these are the tricks how to get the square of any number. I hope you all enjoyed this method. Try to find some other numbers squares, then you will understand and practice it well. Thank you. Okay.